Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play What I Got by Sublime. Please subscribe to my channel. We really appreciate you watching our videos. So let's get started with this lesson. So this song is basically going to be two chords. It's going to be a D chord and a G chord, but it's only going to be two fingers. Each chord is going to be made with two fingers. And you don't want to hit this high E string. And the way I keep from doing that basically is I always have a finger down here on it with my picking hand. So the way you're going to do it is you're going to put your ring finger down here on the 3rd fret of the B string. And you're going to put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string for this D chord. And then you're going to alternate between that and then putting your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string to make this G chord. And it was a very simple chord progression, and the guy that played it was singing while he was playing it, which is probably why he tried to make it kind of simple like this. I mean, because he's doing two things at once. And that's the chord progression. And there's this neat little lead in it that is pretty doable by a beginner, I think, if you take your time and learn it. It's So the way you play that is you slide down on the A string from way up here down to the 12th fret. So you go to the 12th fret on the A, then you go to the D string, you go 10, 12, to 10 on the G string. Then you do that 12, 10, 12 on the D string. Okay. Then you're going to do this. So the first part of that lead is, and the second part is this little 2-string thing where you're going to be 12 on the D string and 11 on the G string. And you're going to slide them down two frets. You're going to go to 10 and 9. And the third part of that second part is 9 and 7, 9 on the D, 7 on the G string. You're going to hit it twice when you hit that chord. And you're going to lay your finger across on the 10th fret here. On the G string, you're going to go 10, 11. On the B string, you're going to go 10, 12. And then you're just going to hit the 10th fret on the E string, and then the 12th fret again on the B string. So it goes. And then on the B string, you're going to go 13, 12, 10 on the B, and then you're going to hit the 12th fret on the G string. Then you're going to bend. You're going to hit that G string on the 12th fret again, and you're going to bend it up. Bend it up, and then you're going to play this B string on the 13th fret. And then end up back on the 10th fret of the G string. So here it is again. Whoops. So then back to the chord progression. So that in a nutshell is how to play What I Got by Sublime. And it's always hard for me to explain things when I'm used to playing them and not even thinking about them, like that lead I made a mistake on, since I've played it hundreds of times for sure. But anyway, that's the gist of it. That is how I play it. That's what I'm hearing when I play it. And if this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to bring some more of these 2-chord plus sort of beginner songs that are really fun to play. And if these are good for you, wonderful. Leave a comment in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.